Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make deviled eggs simple. First, place your eggs in a pot and cover them with cold water by about 1 inch. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately turn off the heat. Cover the pot and let the eggs sit for 10-12 minutes. This method helps prevent green yolks and makes peeling easier. After the eggs have rested, transfer them to an ice bath for at least 5 minutes. This stops the cooking process and helps the shells release easily. Once cooled, gently tap and roll each egg to crack the shell all around. Peel them under cool, running water, then slice each egg in half lengthwise and carefully scoop out the yolks. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for storing your deviled eggs or any other delicious creations. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now for the delicious filling. In a small bowl, mash the cooked yolks with a fork until crumbly. Add about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1/2 teaspoon of white vinegar. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of paprika. Mix everything together until the filling is perfectly smooth and creamy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.